It's a big business that can be costly and confusing to those of us that want or need to renovate our homes. Today, to help us navigate through the whole remodeling construction process, we have two experts with us. Architect Alberto Ramudo specializes in designing and remodeling homes and offices. He's from Icon Design Group. Charlie Knadler, President and CEO of EnerBank USA, also joins us. EnerBank helps homeowners realize their home improvement dreams by specializing in providing them with payment options to fund their home improvement projects. So we have an expert on designing and planning home improvements, and we have the expert on paying for those home improvement projects. So guys, I have to say thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it.
Our pleasure, Debbie.
Alberto, let's go ahead and start with you. What type of home improvements are we seeing for homes today?
Well, there's usually two types of home improvements. One is the want and one is the need.
Okay, want and need.
Correct. The need is obviously immediate repairs that may need to or that has to be done right away. The one is the improvements to the lifestyles of the individuals.
Okay.
And typically what we do is when we sit with the homeowners is we ask them to write a list of wishes that they want to improve their house with.
Got it.
And so we then at that point help them navigate through the process of what is going to take place, all the way from selecting a contracting to the banking or the financing of the house.
So for our viewers watching right now, when they're thinking, I can do this, I don't need a contractor, as an architect, what would be your answer?
Don't do it.
Okay.
It's an incredible process and people have no concept of what it takes to do it.
Right.
I can go through a long story,
but it would be a
costly
costly mistake for a lot of homeowners. Okay.
Yeah,
and speaking of the money, Charlie, that's your cue, because your company actually specializes in home improvement lending.
Yes, we do. In fact, it's all we do.
Okay.
For more than a decade, we've partnered with contractors in all 50 states to fund hundreds of thousands of home improvement projects. Mm-hmm. What's unique about the EnerBank model is that we form a partnership that creates a win-win situation for the homeowners and the contractors they select for their project. EnerBank allows the contractor to extend their value to the homeowner by providing a choice of payment options and then letting the homeowners decide which one works best for them.
That's perfect. And I think a lot of homeowners wait until they actually have cash on hand to do a home improvement project. Have you seen that too?
What we've learned from working with hundreds of thousands of homeowners across the country is that whether your project is a kitchen remodel or replacing your furnace or roof, homeowners do not have the access to the project pricing resources that they do for other purchases such as cars, vacations, or even homes.
I mean, it makes sense. They can be very costly, as we said before, yeah.
Did you know that about 50% of projects over $5,000 are financed?
Really?
Let me tell you why.
Okay.
Let's say a homeowner wants to remodel his kitchen. He finds design ideas online and saves $20,000 for the project. Then he brings in a professional who shows him what he really can do to transform his kitchen, but the price tag is $35,000.
Right, then he's at that dilemma, what do I do?
If the contractor works with EnerBank, he can offer the homeowner payment options like a 12-month same-as-cash loan or a low-interest loan. You can see that homeowners can easily underestimate the cost of a project.
Right.
With EnerBank, contractors provide a way for homeowners to move forward with their project with an easy way to pay.
Let's talk about when a homeowner should finance a project.
Financing can actually reduce your risk on a home improvement project. Contractors must be authorized to participate in our loan programs.
Okay.
Our payment options are unsecured, meaning your house is not used as collateral on the loan.
What about the return on your investment?
Investing in your home is a great financial decision.
Yeah.
Some projects deliver an immediate ROI, such as something as simple as replacing a front door.
Okay.
Then there are others that protect your home's value, such as fixing that leaky roof.
Right, and Alberto, like you said at the beginning, that knowing what you want to do, having a good concept, and then choosing the right contractor, they're all so important.
It is, Debbie, and believe me, a contractor can make you or break you. I mean, there's some incredible horror stories out there, but if you focus on what is that you want and choosing the right contractor, it will make the process so much smoother.
Yes, do you agree, Charlie?
Absolutely. Our authorized contractors have a mutual interest in completing the project to the homeowner's satisfaction in order to be paid.
Right.
Homeowners should also take responsibility. They should be proactive in screening their potential contractors, ask for licenses, references, and be sure to check their reputation online and with the local Better Business Bureau.
What about the process of actually getting a loan? We'll ask you that, Charlie.
Our process is quick and easy. Remember our homeowner who didn't expect his kitchen remodel to cost as much as the estimate?
He was surprised.
Let's say he decides to pay for his project with the $20,000 he already saved up and borrow the remaining $15,000 using our 12-month same-as-cash loan.
Okay, so what would be the process? Is it hard?
To apply, all it takes is a quick phone call to EnerBank, and he will receive a credit decision in about 10 minutes. Because of our choice of payment options, we're able to approve about 4 out of 5 applicants.
Wow, that's great. I have to thank both of you for being here because I've learned a lot through this process. I know our viewers probably feel the same way, and to have 2 experts here guiding us along the way, having an architect. Alberto, thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure, David. And remember, it's always so important to do your homework at the very beginning and make sure that you pre-qualify and know what you want.
Absolutely.
And it makes our life a lot easier.
Yes, on all parties, right?
On all parties.
And Charlie, we couldn't do it without you, the financial aspect, so thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. We are proud of the work we do and the impact we have on homeowners and contractors across the country. What drives all of us at EnerBank is that every day we help home improvement contractors grow their businesses and homeowners achieve their dreams.
Absolutely, that's what it's all about. Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Our pleasure.
Well, to see this portion again, please go to designingspaces.tv, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.